Welcome back to Doom Devlog after a very long time. And in case you don't know, this is Devlog number 13 of the Doom series. And in this video, we are going to basically just finalize the zombie man so that we can say that he's done, and then in the next video we can implement the shotgunner. So let's get started. Now, if you remember, in the last video I didn't show you the end result because I said that it wasn't presentable. So I have got it done now, and this is what the zombie man currently looks like. But before you do that, do you know about my game Super Bowl? And have you downloaded it? If you haven't, then it's a really fun puzzle platformer that you can download both on Android and Windows. So you should really do that, and the link is given in the description of this video. Anyways, getting back on topic, that's our robot in his normal C state, his spawn state. And if we go in front of him, then he will go in the C state and will start chasing us. And he will also try to shoot us by going to the missile state, as you can see that happened. And if I shoot him twice, you also notice he went in the base state, and that's the death state he's in right now. And yes, I know that the death state is pretty weird. I mean, I literally just rotated him 90 degrees, but that's what for now. We can add the animations later. Now the robot is pretty much done. Our zombie man is finally good enough to be called a zombie man, and we should probably get to animating him. But this is the problem. I hate animation, and I am really not in the mood of animating right now. So let's do something else. And by something else, I mean let's do some modeling and let's model the rest of the enemies and see how far we can go. Now, obviously, we have created a zombie man, and I'm not going to model the shotgunner right now because I'm just going to use the same model as the zombie man with a different texture for him. So let's get to modeling the imp. Now, if you remember in the first video of this series, I used this robot image to indicate the imp, and to be honest, that's a pretty good image. So why don't we just make a model like that? But I don't think I want to create something exactly like that. So let's just start and see where we go. And this is the basic body of our robot. I know it doesn't look like a robot, but believe me, it will in a few seconds. Well, after modeling the head, I can say that this looks pretty good. So let's model the rest of the robot. With the basic robot model done, now we can focus on adding the details. Well, I added a couple of decorations like the eyes and finally the arms, and this is what the robot looks like. Yeah, I know it's great. And I created those two arms specially. One is for actually outputting the fireballs or whatever kind of thing we will put in place of that, because the imp used to, emit fireballs. And the other arm is going to be for the melee attack of the imp. And the model is pretty much done here. And we might get to the texturing now. But actually, I think we are going to do the texturing in the next video. For this video, I'm going to wrap it up here. And you might be saying that it was a very short video, and it was because my exams just ended on Wednesday and I didn't really have the time to make the video. So I just put together something short, and we will have more content in the next video. So stay tuned for that. With that, bye.